Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I want to tell you about an exclusive paper pumpkin kit called Joy to the World. It's a paper crafting subscription kit that is delivered to your doorstep every month. Every kit includes an exclusive stamp set, ink spot, and embellishments to create a pre-designed project. It's always a surprise every month. Sometimes the kit includes cards plus a gift bag, banners, treat boxes, home decor, and at least 6 times a year you get just cards, 8 or more cards. But this particular holiday box comes with 8 cards. These cards are standard size cards with the envelopes. Some of the colors that's included within this kit would be your cherry cobbler, that's a nice deep red. Then you're going to have Crumb cake, which is a craft color. Then you're going to have early espresso, which is a dark brown. Then you'll have just Jade and your soft seafoam, which are green tones. So this Joy to the World kits runs from September 11th to October 10th. So you have a couple more days if this is something you're interested in getting. And it's $22, which includes your shipping. So with your first kit, we include a free gift from us, which is a clear stamping block. This also gives you the opportunity to build your collection of stamps and inks to use on other projects. So how cool is that? This kit is excellent for your beginner stampers. The supply list tends to be limited toward the end of the subscription period. So I'm going to be listing the link down below so you guys could get your boxes today. So guys, after you get your box, go ahead and hop over to the Facebook page and join the Joy of Paper Crafting Facebook group. There you'll meet other friends. You would also get alternative ways of how to create your projects that comes in that box. That group would also help you to get the most out of your kit. When you guys hop on over to join the fun link, go ahead and check out the previous monthly unboxing videos so you can see all the goodness that comes in the paper pumpkin kits. Thank you guys as always for tuning into my creative corner, and thank you guys for your support. Until next time, this is Claudette.